Apple has begun manufacturing the latest iPhone 13 in India, a move that boosts the presence of one of the biggest tech companies in India, as well as catalyzes the government's Make in India initiative. FoxConn's plant in Sriperumbudur near Chennai will be producing the iPhone 13 units, Apple said. With the latest announcement, Apple now manufactures all its latest iPhone models in India. However, if you are anticipating a drop in prices, Apple may not do that yet. Notably, the mass production of the latest iPhones comes after the Cupertino-based giant had begun trial production for the iPhone 13 back in December 2021. Back then, it was assumed that volume production for the model would start by February 2022, although this had been postponed till April. This is great news for Apple customers in India, since local production would have the device's cost drop by a noticeable margin. We are excited to begin making iPhone 13 with its beautiful design, advanced camera systems for stunning photos and videos, and the incredible performance of the A15 Bionic chip right here in India for our local customers, said Apple in a statement. Apple's manufacturing partners in India, FoxConn and Wistron, are already manufacturing older iPhone models, but the iPhone 13 will first go into production at FoxConn's facility. Apple's third partner, Pegatron, a report said, is also expected to begin production this month, but it could take up the manufacturing of the iPhone 12 first. Apple now manufactures iPhone 13, iPhone 12, and iPhone 11 locally, but these are just the vanilla models. None of the Pro models is manufactured in India as of now. Also, Apple said it will manufacture iPhone 13 in India for local customers, which means the India-produced units are unlikely to be exported to other markets. The decision to produce iPhone 13 locally comes around 6 to 7 months after Apple launched it back in September last year. This is a significant reduction in the timeframe that Apple earlier used to set for the production of iPhones in India. For instance, the production of the iPhone 12 in India began around 8 months after the launch. Regardless, Apple now launches its latest flagship iPhone models in India at the same time as its prime markets, such as the US and Canada. With local manufacturing of new iPhone models, Apple is planning to increase the volume and, at the same time, rely less on imported units that attract hefty taxes from the government. Not that Apple sells locally manufactured iPhones at lower prices, but the availability has improved over the years. The sales of iPhones spike around festivals, when third-party shopping websites put up various offers and deals to lure customers, and with local production, Apple has managed to maintain a steadfast supply. Last year, Apple emerged as one of the fastest-growing smartphone brands in India, as iPhone shipments grew by a record 108%, with 5 million units, contributing a roughly 4% market share. Experts believe that with iPhone 13 production and iPhone 12 production at Pegatron, Apple is expected to surpass its existing record of iPhone sales in India. Apple also confirmed that many of its supplier sites in India now utilize solar and wind energy for operations. All established iPhone final assembly supplier sites in India do not generate any waste sent to landfill and are UL Zero Waste certified, it added. Thank you for watching this video. I appreciate every comment from you. Subscribe to the channel. See you soon.